Hello Algebra 2, this is Mr. Mock going over today's lesson. I can use the properties of logarithms. The properties are pretty straightforward. There's three of them. There's the product property, which you can see right there, where you have the log of 6 plus the log of 2. And if you were to take a calculator and type in log of 6 and then type in log of 2 or plus log of 2, you would get a number, right? It's 1.0 something, I believe, 1.07 or something like that. And then if you take your same calculator and do log of 12, you'll get the exact same number. So what we found is this product property where when you're adding a log of 6, and notice the bases are the same, right? They both have no base, right? No base listed, so we know that's assumed 10. So the log of 6 plus the log of 2 equals 6 times 2, which is 12. All right. So you're basically just multiplying the 6 and the 2. So here, 6 times 2 equals the 12. All right. So that's the property, the product property. When you have a log plus another log, you multiply the 2, and you have the log of 12. All right. Moving on, quotient property. So now this one's subtraction, whereas the top one's addition, product property is addition, the quotient property is a subtraction, log of 8 minus log of 2. You're simply going to do log of 8 over 2. 8 over 2 is 4. That is the quotient property. Same thing, if you were to take a calculator and do log of 8, get that number, subtract the log of 2, you'll get that number, which I'm not quite sure off the top of my head what that is. You would find that when you do the log of 4, it's the exact same thing. Alright, so that's how the quotient property works. You're going to do 8 divided by 2. Alright, next and last is the power property. Power property, now this one ended up being tricky for a couple classes. One I can think of specifically, where the idea here that the 3, this exponent, right here, I'm highlighting it. It's not highlighting very well. But that highlighted 3, that exponent, is just brought to the front. It's just put in front of the word log, right? So now if you have a 3 in the front, you can move it to be the exponent. And that's how you use the property. It's just moved from one location to the next. So this 3 is just moved to the front, and it's 3 log x. Or the 3 is here. You just move it to be the exponent, 3. Okay, so now if we go back and look at what the objective for today was, it's to be able to use the properties of the logarithms. And we're going to do this problem right here. So it's 4 log of 2 minus log of 4. And here's how this one works. We have the 4 in the front, right? So we can rewrite this. That's going to be log 2 to the 4th power, because right, the 4 can be moved as the exponent, minus log of 4, right? 2 to the 4th power. 2 to the 4th power is 16. So now we've got the log of 16 minus the log of 4. Now we can use the quotient property, right? Because we have subtraction. So this becomes then the log of 16 divided by 4, which gives you then your final simplified logarithm, log of 4. Okay? So that is the process that you're taking. You're using the product property, you're using the quotient property, you're using the power property to simplify that logarithm, to take it from an expanded to a more simplified version of itself. Okay, I hope that helps. The assignment is listed below on the website here, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.